In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your active sessions in TradingView. This is an important security step, especially if you log in from multiple devices or want to make sure no one else has access to your account. TradingView gives you a clear list of everywhere your account is currently signed in, and it's just a few clicks away. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open TradingView and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where all your account tools and preferences live. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Billing. This opens your main account management panel where you can adjust security, notifications, billing, and privacy settings. On the left side, look for the section called Active Sessions and click on it. This page shows every device, browser, and the location currently logged into your TradingView account. You'll see timestamps, device types, and whether the session is still active. If something looks unfamiliar, maybe an old device you don't use anymore or a session that shouldn't be there, TradingView gives you the option to terminate sessions individually or sign out of all devices at once. It's the fastest way to secure your account if you suspect unusual activity. Review the list, remove anything you don't recognize, and keep only the devices you trust. And that's it. Checking your active sessions in TradingView is simple, but it's one of the best ways to keep your account safe and protected. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.